Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In a large pot over medium-high heat, add chicken. Pour broth over chicken to cover and season generously with salt and pepper. Bring to a boil, then cover and reduce heat to medium. Let simmer until chicken is cooked through, 10 minutes. Shred chicken with 2 forks and use as desired.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Fact: chicken can be cooked from frozen. It will take about 50% longer than thawed chicken and you must use a fast cooking method. Cooking it in the oven or on the stove is okay according to the USDA, under the safe defrosting headline, so boil and simmer away.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Once the liquid is boiling, reduce the heat and let simmer until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer or is no longer pink in the center, about 8 to 16 minutes, depending upon the size and number of chicken breasts that you are poaching.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Simply bake or boil your chicken breasts. While they're still warm, put them in your KitchenAid mixer or any stand mixer with your flat beater attachment. Turn the mixer on at about a 2-speed for 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure to keep an eye on it because it shreds very quickly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.